我影下你，你坐前面啦，好冇？得冇？你坐前面，你坐前面。唔介意啊？唔介意。
Okay, I'm here to explain you regarding the Forester Eyesight. If you don't want to put a seatbelt, it's also fine because this will be a very safe test.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
No
The next one you need to do
Okay.
the safe seatbelt. Okay.
Can.
Regarding what I'm going to explain you today is the adaptive cruise control.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's say if we want to start the cruise control from zero lah, from standstill lah. Okay, we can do that. So we just move to D. We release the handbrake already, and then we set the cruise control over here.
Oh.
So it will be written here ready. Once it's ready already, we only need to set. Once it's set, it hold, it will automatically pull the handbrake for you. So once the car in front move, you just have to press resume and it will follow according to the car speed. When it's too close, it will brake automatically. Okay, so I'll demonstrate for you now. So the car in front move already. I just push this button, it will go. I didn't press anything. It's moving already according to the car speed. Let's say if the car move away from the lane, it will go back according to the speed that you set. I set at 30 kilometers per hour already.
Oh.
So I'm not pressing anything. So it will stop.
The only thing that you did was just push the button only.
Yeah, I just push the button when the car move.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say if the car move. Sorry, actually the warning is because of the seatbelt. Okay. Now okay already. Okay, that's okay lah.
Yeah, I thought it was
just a short distance only.
Okay.
So now let's say if the car move already,
Yeah.
it will give you a warning here. The front car has moved. You see?
Yeah.
The vehicle ahead has moved. You just give a short beep only lah.
Yeah.
So you just resume long. You will go back cruising at 30 kilometers per
Until
hour.
it detects the car in front.
Until it detects the car in front and it will stop at the distance that you set. So this is the furthest distance actually.
Wow. Okay. That's interesting.
That's just that simple.
So what if the car in front reverse?
If then you will definitely lock on to you lah.
Okay.
Okay, but let's say if you still want to accelerate after cruising,
Yeah.
because it will detect the driver is still in control, so you basically hand the control over to the driver. So you are not supposed to touch anything except the steering wheel.
Okay. So that means this car has autonomous braking also. I mean, when you drive normal without the cruise control.
Without the cruise control, there's the pre-collision braking, which you can try later on the next.
Oh yeah, that one.
Car,
Okay, yeah. Okay.
But that one, that will be a bit more scary lah, because it will last minute brake one. It will give you a warning first. After the warning, after like half a second, then it will jam the brakes for you. Okay.
Okay. Right.
All right. Any questions by us? Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
automatic， 它前面走它就走，就是好像塞车的时候，塞车的时候是对它是很好的。对啊，你不用做什么东西。
This with eyesight.
Hi, so how's the ride?
So our new Forester, so this is the high spec.
Yeah.
So with the eyesight system. So our eyesight system, we're using stereo camera, dual lens.
Okay.
So our camera can see up to 110 meters ahead. So our eyesight system, we got 6 function, which is pre-collision braking system, pre-collision throttle management, adaptive cruise control, lane vehicle start alert, lane departure warning, and lane sway warning. So with me today, you're going to experience the pre-collision braking system and pre-collision throttle management. So at a certain point, when I speed up, I will release everything, not pressing any pedal brakes. So I will let the car stop by itself. So you guys ready?
Yeah.
You fasten your seatbelt?
Yeah.
Good. So hold tight your camera.
Okay.
I'm scared dia terbang depan. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Wow.
Something like that. Okay, do you hear that? The 3-stage warning. First the beep 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 beep, second beep 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 beep, and slightly brake, third beep 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 beep, and apply emergency brake. That one is on high speed. How about low speed? Because people nowadays driving, when the traffic jam condition, they love to take out their phone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, play with their phone. That time to shop something from Shopee.
Yeah.
Right?
At low speed lah.
Yeah, at low speed, reply WhatsApp group, correct? In traffic jam conditions or something like this, because our pre-collision braking system from 1 to 200 km per hour. I'm not pressing it. Just let the car stop by itself.
Will the brake spoil very easily?
No, the brake will not spoil really easy. You have to remember one thing. We create the eyesight system to assist the driver. Not every time you careless, right?
Yeah, not every time you're going to use it like
what I
that.
mean is that if let's say like this car like you do it day in day out
No, okay.
okay lah.
Yeah. Okay, so another function is pre-collision throttle management. So let's say we want to come up from the parking. So you parking kepala dulu kan? You nak, of course you kena reverse.
Right.
Let's say you wrongly put drive here.
Okay.
What happened? You bang car in front, right? So when the camera detect there's an object in front,
Okay.
the eyesight system will reduce car output power.
Yeah.
Okay, then the system will give you buzzer to alert you, and you need to step on the pedal brake. Okay, cool. Okay, you can see here, I will accelerate 100%.
Alright.
Then you will experience the car moving very slow. So when the buzzer came up, I will step on the pedal brake. Alright, so you ready?
Yeah.
See, 100%. Step on the acceleration pedal. The car moving very slow, right? So that is our two system: pre-collision braking system and pre-collision throttle management.
Oh, wow. This is very cool. Very useful as well.
Very useful. Yeah.
I mean, it's gonna wear out the brake pads only, right? That's all.
Yeah, if you careless every time.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it won't affect.
10 times lah.
Yeah, what I mean is that it won't affect any other
won't
parts.
affect.
It's just the brake pads
It
anyway.
won't affect. It's just a brake pad and
Yeah.
tires.
How much is this car? Do you know?
I don't know, maybe 159.
159 only. Okay.
Alright, thank you very
Very
much.
thank you.
With the good system, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So thank you very much.
Thank you very
Have
much.
a good day. Have a
Same
great
to you.
weekend.
You too.
Bye bye.
Have fun doing the same thing the whole day. Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Forester 2.0 IS.